Grandpa's Tree. Grandpa's favorite tree was an old maple tree that stood in the corner of his yard. Every time Tara and Justin went to visit, Grandpa would tell stories about his tree. "Have I told you how that tree was planted on the day that I was born?" he would ask. "Did you know that I carved your grandma's initials in that tree? Do you know that when your dad was your age, he fell out of that tree and broke his arm?" Tara and Justin loved to hear these stories again and again. They also loved to visit Grandpa. He always had a new project for them to work on, and they had such fun together. One day, Tara and Justin went to Grandpa's house expecting a usual visit, but things were different. Grandpa hardly spoke at all and didn't want to do anything. "He is just grumpy because he broke his leg and can't move around very well," Dad whispered. "Why don't you go out and play?" Tara and Justin went out, but they didn't play. They talked about Grandpa. "I think Grandpa needs a project," Justin said. "I think we all need a project," Tara said. Just then Tara noticed a shell from a bird's egg under Grandpa's tree. "Look," she said, "it's a bird's egg. I wonder what kind of bird it came from." Justin looked. The color and size may give us clues. It's tiny and blue. It might be from a robin. Let's tell Grandpa. Justin and Tara hurried back into the house. "Hey, Grandpa," Justin called. "Did you know that there's a bird living in your tree? We think it may be a robin." "Humph," grunted Grandpa. "What makes you think so?" "We found this blue eggshell under the tree," said Tara. "So there has to be a nest in the tree," Justin chimed in. "So you two detectives solved the mystery," Grandpa said. "It was very clever to put those clues together." Then Grandpa smiled. "Imagine that! A robin's nest in my tree." "I have an idea!" cried Tara. "Let's make a bird feeder." Grandpa frowned. "Not with this leg I can't." Dad poked his head into the room. "Don't be silly," he said. "Since when do you make a bird feeder with your legs?" "Justin, go get Grandpa's tools from the garage." "Tara, I saw some wood in the basement. I'll clear the table." For a moment Grandpa almost looked happy. Then he saw the wood. "These pieces are too big," he grumbled. "Draw a pattern," said Dad patiently. "I'll cut the wood to match." So Grandpa started drawing the sizes for the pieces of wood. As he planned the bird feeder, he started talking. "Have I told you how the tree was planted on the day I was born?" Justin and Tara smiled. "Tell us about it, Grandpa." The next few days went by quickly as they worked on the bird feeder. Finally, it was done. Grandpa, Tara, and Justin watched from the window as Dad hung it on the tree. "That was sneaky of you to find a project to make me forget my leg," Grandpa said. "It wasn't sneaky," Grandpa said, Tara. "We just know that you are happy when you do things." "Look," said Justin. "The bird found the feeder. It is a robin." Grandpa chuckled. "Imagine that! A robin in my tree." The end.